It's 25. When I first started making vlog, I never knew that we could reach vlog 25. So all thanks to you यार, तुमने possible किया कि vlog 25 भी आ सके. So it's been you guys that have made this possible and made this journey successful. Thank you, a big thanks from the heart to you. So with that, let me tell you what is in store in this vlog 25 today. So we are going to talk about Far Cry New Dawn, who is working on it, and what Developer version this game is going to have, plus some news on Forza Horizon 4, Metro Exodus, and an update on a patch fix of Resident Evil 2 Remake. So this is a power pack episode, watch till the end and let's get started. But before that, if you are a new person watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's your subscription that is driving this channel forward. So now coming on to Far Cry New Dawn. So who is working on it? CPY. Yes, CPY is working on it. And you guys know what happened with the game Resident Evil 2. CPY was working on it and Codex just broke it and broke the game before CPY can even think of it or even imagine of it. So this time I think CPY is more careful on it and they can bring it out and show once again that who is the leader and who is the boss out here. An update on a Developer version. As you guys know, Resident Evil 2 had a Developer version of 5.5. So Far Cry would have a Developer version lower than 5.5. So there is news that the Developer version won't exceed 5.5. It will be probably below 5.5. And Far Cry, as you guys know, is supposed to release on 15th February. So just 1 week left. So it will be very exciting to see whether that game gets cracked on that day itself or not. So we have to wait and watch what is the new progression on that game. Now moving on to the update and patch for Resident Evil 2 Remake. Now as you guys who have playing that game, many people have experienced lots of issue. Now the fixes, I have made a fix video that is on my channel. You guys can go and check that out. But the general fix, if you are using Windows 10, is updating your Windows 10 version. That's the primary fix which people are using and getting fixed and they're able to play that game. So Codex has seen that the game is facing a lot of issues. So what they are doing, an update, a patch fix for that game could be round that corner, and as we speak they are working on it. The most probable date is that by the end of February they can come out with the crack or an update version to fix those issues. But also a concern is that only a few people, yes, only a few number of people are facing issues. So it will be very interesting to see whether Codex takes this issue of people facing this issue seriously and works on it ASAP. Yes, ASAP. So that was about the update fix for Resident Evil 2. Now moving on to Forza Horizon 4. Now I'm really getting a cold vibe regarding Forza Horizon 4. It's really very hard to understand why Forza Horizon 4 is not getting cracked. Primarily because of a new DRM. Because earlier I had the news that by 20 February the game could be out. But now what I have is that still it is under cloud. I don't know why such news is coming on Forza Horizon 4. Why? But due to the new DRM they are really unsure because nobody wants to work on a game and fail and down their name. So that is one concern which people are facing with Forza Horizon 4. No one wants to get unsuccessful. That's the one word. So really we have to see whether the deadline of February 20 is met or not. We have to really see and be patient about that. And also some news on Metro Exodus. Yes, you guys have been commenting on my videos and on my community. You guys want to know more about Metro Exodus. Now there was a news about Metro Exodus. First is that game won't be available on Steam. The company faced some issues with the developers and now the game won't be available on Steam. So there was some cloud on whether that game would be released for PC or not. Yes, there was some continuous issues going on with the company and the developers. So now the company has understood and that game won't be available on Steam. Now the major question that you guys may be interested, whether it will be cracked or not. Not being available on Steam makes it less protective in a sense. The game will lose some of its protection. So the good news is that the game would be crackable and in simple word easily crackable. So all the scenarios look good for Metro Exodus. Going forward and moving forward, I will bring more and more update on that as well. So this was regarding all the games. The purpose of my vlog is to give you gaming information of your favorite games and to make you come closer to your games, so that we have done always and fully vlog 50, vlog 100. This go on forever ever. Only thing is required is your support. Yes, अगर आपका साथ रहा तो हमेशा मंजिल पास ही रहेगी. If you like this video, again don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button because it's your support, your share, your subscribe that is driving me forward and driving this channel forward. So keep supporting, keep liking, and do tell how you like today's episode of Vlog 25. It's a silver jubilee, so bye bye. Take care. Meet you in another vlog 26. So till then, bye bye. Take care, and always, like I always say, be charismatic and keep gaming.